Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix automatic turn off of your SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 wireless headphones. So all you have to do is just open the Sonar application on your PC. Then you will have to go for Engine. Now go for the gear and select Arctis Nova 5. Now just wait and go for the settings. Right now we can find power options. And as you can see in my case, it's actually turned off every time after 30 minutes of inactivity. So to get rid of it, you can select, for example, never. And then you have to click save and the right bottom corner. Also, be sure that you check the battery level of your headphones. So in my case, there's the 33%, which means that I shouldn't actually get this kind of the issue. But if your battery is around 5%, 3%, or even 1%, there's a chance that the headphones are actually turned off automatically to let you know that you have to recharge the headset. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.